Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa mga pinaka-interesting na features sa Cross ecosystem right now, Cross Prediction. Kung curious ka kung paano ito gumagana at bakit maraming users ang nai-engage dito, then this video is for you. So let's break it down. So for those na first time marinig ito, Cross Prediction is a prediction market platform created by Cross DeFi. Ang concept niya ay simple. Instead of trading directly, magpe-predict ka kung tataas o bababa ang presyo ng Bitcoin within a specific time period. BTC up or BTC down. Simple siyang maintindihan kaya kahit beginners can quickly understand how it works. One thing that makes cross prediction interesting is yung short prediction rounds. May 1-minute market at may 3-minute market, meaning hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng matagal para makita kung tama yung prediction mo. Fast-paced siya, easy to follow, at very watchable lalo na para sa mga viewers na gustong makita agad yung outcome. Kaya bawat round may sariling excitement at suspense. Honestly, ito yung dahilan kung bakit maraming creators ang nagko-content tungkol dito. Madaling sundan yung mechanics. Madaling maintindihan yung objective, and bawat round may simple question. BTC up or BTC down? Parang game siya na may kasamang strategy at decision-making. Kaya kahit hindi ka pa familiar sa prediction markets, madali kang makakasabay sa experience. And if gusto mong mas makilala ang cross ecosystem, isa ito sa mga features na magandang i-explore. Simple yung entry point, easy to understand, at nagbibigay ng interactive experience para sa users. Kaya understandable kung bakit isa ito sa mga highlighted campaigns ngayon sa Crosswave. So ayun guys, that's a quick introduction to Cross Prediction. If gusto nyo pa ng more cross guides, ecosystem updates, and beginner-friendly breakdowns, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below, BTC up or BTC down? Thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next one.